Today's topic is the addition and subtraction of integers. Integers are all positive and negative whole numbers, including zero. It doesn't include fractions or decimals. We have like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity. I'm solving questions as regards addition and subtraction of integers with another method different from the number line method. This method I call owing and owning. That's owning as in having, then owing as in borrowing or borrowed. As we solve questions, we get to understand more. But before you can start solving questions on this topic, on this with this particular method, you need to understand certain things that include it's the positive or the negative sign in front of a number is owned by that number. For example, we have this 5 in front of it is minus. This 5 only is minus. Then we have this 2. There's no sign in front of it. Anytime there's no sign written in front of a number, in cases like this, you should know there's a positive sign in front of it. In this case, we have plus 2. Um, Anytime you're having a plus in front of the sign, like in this case, it means you are owning or you have. Then the minus in front of the sign means you are owing or you borrowed. In cases like this, we'll have +2 means like you have 2 pencils, and -5 means you are owing 5 pencils. You have 2 pencils, you are owing 5. By the time you pay back um 2 out of the 5 you are owing, the outcome means you still will be owing 3. So your final answer is -3 since you are owing 3, and you end up with having -3. The second question is -2 -5. I mean, the 2 owns this minus, 2 owns this minus, and this 5 owns this minus. -2 means you're owing 2 pencils, you're still owing 5 pencils. You're owing a total of 7, so you have -7. Next question is -2 plus 5. -2 means you're owing 2 pencils, plus 5 means you're having 5 pencils. If you're owing 2 and you have 5, by the time you pay back the 2 you're owing, you still be having 3 with you. Since you still be having not owing, you have +3. Next question is 0 minus 2. 0 means you have nothing or you own nothing, nothing. So, and these 2 owns is minus, so you own nothing and you're owing 2. That means you're still owing 2. And the next question means for the first part you're owing 2 pencils, then to the second part you're owing nothing. So you're owing a person 2 pencils, and the second person you're owing nothing. So the outcome is you still be owing 2. Since for the second person you're owing nothing, so it's still -2. We go down to the next question. -2 plus 0. -2 plus 0. -2 means you're owing two a person 2 pencils, and for the second one you're owning none. So at the outcome is you still be owing 2. The next question says 2 minus 0. And then 2 minus 0 is 2. Normally, but like the positive in front of this 2, since there's no sign put in front of it, no positive or negative sign put in front of it. So plus 2, you're having 2 pencils and you're owing someone none. The outcome is you still be having 2. Then you know your 2 plus 0 is 2. That means there's a plus in front of this 2. You are having 2 pencils and you're still not having nothing from second part of it. So you're still having 2. That's +2. Then the last question is very easy, but looks complex because we're having 3 numbers with signs. So you take the first 2 first and work with it. You're owing 2 pencils, you're having 5. If you're owing 2 and you're having 5, by the time you pay back 2 out of the you're owing out of the 5 you're having, you still be left with 3. That's +3. So the answer for this first 2 gives you +3. Then you drag down the -4. So it will be +3 minus 4. The plus three means you're having three pencils. The minus four means you're owing four pencils. You're having three pencils and you're owing four. By the time you pay back the three pencils you're having, and um from the four you're owing, still be owing one pencil. So the answer, since you're owing, will be minus one.